an American, where at least I know I'm free.
What is the guy doing outside of his car before the accident? Did he just park in the diamond lane and go for a walk? Also, it doesn't even seem like he notices the car accident, or am I mistaken? This is a perfect execution of a pit maneuver. The sedan driver did a good job steering into the skid. This could have ended up a lot worse.
Capital murder trial against the man charged with murdering his parents back in 2016 in Bel Air. Multiple outlets report that prosecutors are getting ready to argue today that a shirt worn by Armstrong after his parents' murder holds important DNA evidence that the judge should allow being a part of the trial. The new evidence is being considered nearly 7 years.
This is classic underestimation. This is the opposite of what I'm used to seeing, where there's so much space yet the car in front of me won't go through because they think they're driving a municipal bus. It looked to me like the oil truck was merging left, and as the lane was ending, and then they noticed that his exit was coming up, and then saw the black car coming up fast on his right, and swerved back to the left to try to avoid said car, resulting in this crazy crash. Best guess is the driver coming from the right who had the cars on their side of the street that would be at fault. In my opinion, they should have yielded. Yes, I'd let them in. Don't mess with the people that handle your food or trash. In my opinion, that one is on the car driver. The truck with the trailer had already passed them and had their turn signal on for the left turn. The car decided to turn back to the right and didn't check for obstacles. It looks like that Camaro driver wanted a new paint job for that ugly spoiler. Where is the cops when you need them? Unfortunately, I've been seeing a lot more reckless driving on highways with no accountability. That's not a failure to yield, that's a bad lane change. The truck clearly was in the lane and the four-wheeler was trying to take the lane and failed to maintain their own lane. This idiot uses the oncoming lane to pass regardless of oncoming traffic. It's truly amazing how many people out there are driving blind that they can't see out their front windshield.
Where we was. The special offer now at NoVPN.com.
The pickup shreds the rear quarter panel off an SUV in a lot. The push bar and ball hitch, two ways to completely mess up the frame in an accident. It looks like they were trying to dodge something metallic to me. You can see it if you go frame by frame.
Today's positions? Plus, we have some very new positions too. Okay, so visit CLT Airport.
Go!
The open position.
Go! You're in front! Go! 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 You have a yield sign!
The yield or give way sign indicates that merging drivers must prepare to stop if necessary to let another driver on another approach proceed. Kind of echoing the previous clip, that I remember that there used to be days when cops would be on the freeways patrolling for stuff like this. The lane end merge left sign was definitely ignored. The dude in the black truck needs to be charged, and fast. A left turn when he got cut off by a black Mercedes. It's a good thing that the camera checked himself before he wrecked himself. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originaldstv2@gmail.com. Additionally, if you use promo code DDSTV on USA-cams.com,